Attention coin collectors and treasure hunters. Could you be holding a fortune in your pocket? The 1999 Malaysian 5p sen coin may seem ordinary, but rare coins with unique errors or low mintage can be worth a fortune. Stay tuned as we uncover hidden gems in Malaysian coinage. You won't believe what some of these coins are selling for. Attention coin collectors and treasure hunters. Could you be holding a fortune in your pocket? The 1999 Malaysian 5p sen coin may seem ordinary, but rare coins with unique errors or low mintage can be worth a fortune. Stay tuned as we uncover hidden gems in Malaysian coinage. You won't believe what some of these coins are selling for. Attention coin collectors and treasure hunters. Could you be holding a fortune in your pocket? The 1999 Malaysian 5p sen coin may seem ordinary, but rare coins with unique errors or low mintage can be. Here's a detailed, engaging deep dive into the 1999 Malaysia 50 sen 0.5 ringgit coining, covering its design, composition, and surprising numismatic value in 8 rich paragraphs. 1. Introducing the 1999 Malaysia 50 sen, issued as part of Malaysia's third coin series 1989 to 2011 and still strikingly circulated in 1999. This 50 sen coin showcases the nation's cultural identity on metal. It's officially cataloged as KM number 53, with 12,085,000 produced. -2. Design and security features. Reverse. Features the iconic Wasabaz ceremonial kite, framed by Petendrel's Suler Kekang, and includes a latent image security feature displaying the denomination 50 SEN. When tilted. Edge, inscribed with Bank Negara Malaysia, -3. Physical specs and composition. Metal, Li cupronickel. Size, diameter approx. 27.75 to 27.78 millimeters. Thickness approximately 2.18 millimeters. Weight around 9.33 grams. Alignment. Uses metal orientation typical of Malaysian coins. For mintage and scarcity, with about 12 million minted. The coin is common, making full-grade, uncirculated examples easy to find but still collectible. 5. Collector market value. According to Numista, prices range around 60 cents in fine to very fine condition. Uncirculated pieces may fetch slightly more, up to $1 United States dollar, due to its ordinary mintage. These coins are generally not high-value pieces, -6. Rare varieties and error coins. Despite its common status, certain varieties fetch collector interest. Bevel edge versus square edge varieties appear occasionally. Documented by numismatists. Misaligned strike or off-center. Errors, even slight leaf misplacements, are extremely rare and can command higher prices. One reported case sold locally for about RM 500 110 United States dollars, -7. Value drivers for rare specimens, mint errors, misstrikes, center strikes, die cracks, and die gouges can dramatically boost a coin's value if authenticated. Error. Rarity. Malaysian error coins from the 90s are less common, typically collected by enthusiasts for their uniqueness. -8. Could it be worth $1 million? While everyday examples are far below face value, a truly exceptional error variant, such as a large strike misalignment or unique mint flaw, could reach hundreds of USD among collectors, possibly a few thousand if graded and extremely rare. However, there's no evidence of any 1999 50 sen ever selling for millions or making you a billionaire overnight. Most excitement lies in spotting and authenticating unusual mint hiccups. Find one, and you just might uncover a secret treasure. Bottom line, the 1999 Malaysian 50 sen is a beautifully designed yet widespread coin. Its true intrigue lies in the rare error varieties, slight misalignments, off-centers, edge varieties. These unique anomalies authenticated and graded can yield rewarding collector value. But under realistic expectations, they won't turn into million-dollar windfalls so far. Here's a comprehensive 8-paragraph exploration of the 1993 Malaysia 20 sen coin KM number 52, covering its design, specs, circulation, and numismatic value. Introduction and catalog info. The 1993 Malaysian 20-cent coin belongs to the third series, 1989 to 2011, commonly known as the distinctively Malaysia era. Classified as KM number 52, it features traditional motifs and is still occasionally found in circulation. -2, design and symbolism of verse, central hibiscus, Hibiscus rososinensis, with 20 sen flanking the date, 1993, surrounded by Bank Negara, Malaysia. Reverse depicts a traditional tepak serai container, betel leaf box used in Malay customs. These motifs reflect Malaysia's cultural heritage in everyday currency. -3. Specifications and composition material, copper nickel, 75% Cu, 25%. Knee diameter, approximately 23.6 millimeters. Weight, approximately 5.66 grams. Thickness, approximately 1.75 mg. Reeded. Orientation, metal alignment, -4. Mintage and availability. 55.75 million were minted in 1993, a substantial circulation run. As such, it's a common find with moderate availability. -5. General market value according to Numista user data. Typical market values in US dollars. Good find, 22 cents, VFXF tilde, dollar. 0.25 to 0.29. Uncirculated, tilde, dollar. $0.26. Specialist sites like Coinscatala list mint grade MS60 at tilde, $0.35 MS65 at tilde. $1.50 -6. Rare varieties and error potential, though standard strikes dominate. Collectors occasionally report varieties and errors, edge mint die cracks, off-center strikes, misalignment. Wrong or foreign planchet errors are extremely rare. Such errors may fetch $20, $200 depending on severity. -7 record sales. No documented case shows a 1993 20 cent selling in the 6 or 7 figure range. Even notable error specimens rarely exceed a few hundred USD. Thus, it's extremely unlikely to yield millionaire-level profits overnight. -8. Final takeaway, the 1993 Malaysia 20 sen is a beautifully designed yet common coin. Its allure lies in the hunt spotting genuine errors like off-center strikes or die cracks. These can be moderately valuable once authenticated and graded. However, despite the occasional collector thrill, number 20 sen coin has ever been documented as a $1 million treasure, so treasure what you find, but stay grounded in realistic value expectations. Tip: if you think you've found an error variant, consider consulting a reputable coin grader like PCGS NGC for authentication. Here's an in-depth look at the 2016 Malaysia 50 sen CoinX, exploring its design, specs, rarity, and real collector value. Overview and series context. 2016 50 sen is part of Malaysia's third coin series 201-12023, known for its distinctively Malaysia motifs. It's catalogued as KM number 204 and remains common in everyday use. -2, obverse, and reverse design. Obverse features the national hibiscus flower. The date 2016 in Bank Negara, Malaysia. Reverse showcases the Sular Kakang P tendrils, with a latent image security feature that reveals 50 sen when tilted. Mint marks B&M are subtly embedded in the vine design. 3. Physical specs and composition made from nickel brass plated copper. This 50 sen coin is a Spanish flower shape with 9 smooth indentations. Diameter, 22.65 thickness. Approximately equals 1.92 weight. Approximately equals 5.66 G metal. Alignment, nickel brass clad copper composition. -4. Mintage and circulation as a standard circulation coin. Its mintage is high millions, making it common. According to Numista, it's found in 15% of user collections. -5. Collector market value. Regular strikes. Regular. Uncirculated 2016 examples are modestly priced, typically between 13 cents and 61 cents, depending on grade. -6. Rare varieties. In error coins, the coin occasionally exhibits error types that attract collectors. Off-center misaligned strikes, One known flower slight off-center sold locally for RM 500 tilde, 110 United States dollars. Wrong planchette mule errors. Extremely rare, such as striking a 50-cent die on a different planchette. Highly prized dot cracks, cuds, brockages. Mint-made errors that vary in value based on severity. -7. High-value specimens. No documented cases of 2016 50-cent coins selling for hundreds of thousands or millions. Most error coins realistically fetch tens to a few hundred USD on secondary markets, with extreme rarities reaching low thousands if authenticated and graded. -8. Final takeaway: the 2016 50 cent is a beautiful, everyday coin with cultural flair, but it's not inherently a $1,000,000 piece. Its real collectible appeal lies in spotting and verifying authentic mint errors. Discover a genuine misaligned strike or wrong planchette? That's where real excitement and collector value lies. Pro tip: if you suspect you found a coin with a genuine mint error, get it graded by a professional service like PCGS or NGC. Even modest errors can add real value with the rarest fetching surprisingly high prices.